Hi guys, you're at the Metabolic Health Docs YouTube channel, and I have another YouTuber with me, which is Blaze V of the Blaze V YouTube channel, and he does a really good job on his channel to teach us about chemistry of diet and particularly the biochemistry of diet and a carnivore diet. So I really appreciate the work he's doing. He's making Dr. Hampton's life much easier because I have other people out there spreading the message of healing. And the message for today's video, it relates to, thinking about amino acids. We know that they're the building blocks of life, right, for the human body. But I want him to kind of contrast that a little bit with the plant-based diet, not to put our vegans on the spot, but to just help us understand who are animal-based, why it's so beneficial to eat this way.
Yeah. Yeah. So the reason is because amino acids and protein isn't necessarily all perceived the same way by your body. Now, just because something has, let's say, 10 grams of protein on it, on that carton that you might be drinking of milk or whatever, doesn't really matter. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're actually getting 10 grams of protein. And the reason is because amino acids are a little bit trickier. Now, the reason this is the case is because we can assign every single amino acid, essential amino acid, there are 9, we will assign them to one letter. Now, we'll just take the word knowledge. Knowledge has 9 letters in it. And if we assign each amino acid to that letter, then that is how you spell and how you get your protein, by spelling that word knowledge. So how many times can you spell that word? Now, the thing is, with animal protein, it's actually really, really high in protein, more specifically, because you're actually getting a more balanced level of amino acids. Now you're able to spell that word knowledge a way more times. So for instance, instead of before, you can only spell it maybe 5 times. Now you can spell it 25 times. So you can spell it way, way more. And if you really want to go even to the next extreme and to the next level, then all you have to do is eat eggs, because eggs are the highest level of protein. I mean, they are so, so high. And this is why Arnold Schwarzenegger in his prime, for instance, was absolutely pounding down eggs. And all these
Mhm.
previous bodybuilders, if you look at what they were eating, it was eggs, eggs,
Eggs.
steak and eggs, and more steak and
That's
eggs.
right. Yes.
So this is why you really get way more amino acids. It's because you're getting a more balanced level. And when you get a more balanced level, you're actually able to spell that word knowledge 50 more times, 100 more times. The more you get, the more balanced it is, the more you're going to get.
I love it. And you keep mentioning eggs, and whenever we go shop for eggs, we're getting these large containers, and my mom's like, "Who's going to eat all these eggs?" I said, "Well, me and my wife and my 2 kids who just happen to still be at home." And we go through them so quickly. If that was a problem, we probably wouldn't be on the planet anymore. So thank you so much for giving us a taste of that essential amino acid that your body needs. That's why that bear, again, can just eat salmon with essential amino acids and a little fat to go with it and thrive so well. And that's what we can do. We can thrive just like that bear on those essential foods. So thank you, Blaze, for coming to this video. And also, let's make sure to support the work Blaze is doing by subscribing to his channel and getting to know him as he shares these messages of healing from a biochemical perspective, but he also does it with humor. He's much funnier than the metabolic health doc. So if you want to get a laugh and a little entertainment while you're learning these great topics, make sure you follow Blaze. So thanks, Blaze, and thank you guys for coming to this video. And until the next one, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.